I know a lot of people that would puke in their mouth if you said, I want to buy a station wagon. However, the remedy to that is to show them a picture of this. This is the 2019 Volvo V90 R-Design T6 all-wheel drive. It is a wagon, and it's pretty, especially in this bursting blue metallic. Probably the nicest looking wagon ever made. Just look at those lines, it's fantastic. Inside, it's really nice too. The design follows the Volvo family minimalistic approach. It has the Nicest vertical screen from which you control everything, and a nice digital instrument cluster. Ergonomically, once you get used to the infotainment system, everything is okay. But you will need to spend some time learning how to use all this technology that's been bundled in this package. Build quality is really good, the materials used are high grade, but I did notice a few squeaks and rattles, mostly coming from the seat. The driving position, however, is really good, the R-Design seats feel really nice, and visibility all around is great. Your kids will really appreciate the view towards the sky, as the massive sunroof is entertainment on its own. Roominess and storage is superb. 5 adults will fit without issues. Legroom and headroom is really good, and there are cubbies for items all around. The trunk is massive. Once you open the hatch, you can slide anything you want inside. You get 851 liters that can also be used for your kids to play. You never know. You also get some extra space under the cargo floor, and of course, hooks and other amenities are available. On the road, the V90 actually feels quick and light. Despite its size, its weight has been kept reasonably low, so the 4-banger has an easier job to do. It might only be a 2.0 liter, but it has both a supercharger and a turbocharger glued on it, and as such, it makes an impressive 316 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Made it a really good 8-speed automatic transmission, it can hit 100 kilometers an hour in just 6.1 seconds. Sometimes it does sound a little bit rough, so it might make you think that it's working a bit too hard to make this thing move, but then again, the fuel economy says the opposite. We average 12.5 liters per 100 kilometers in the city mostly, which is pretty darn good. Handling is not the strongest point. It doesn't feel like anything sporty to drive, even in this trim, but that doesn't mean it's no good. Grip limits are high, the brakes are strong, the steering feels alright, and the seat also is very good. It's just the size of this damn thing. I mean, it's just too big to feel good. At least it rides quite well. The suspension is well tuned. Over bumps, the car does the job without losing its composure, and in general, it is very comfortable. With roominess and safety being the strongest points right after killer looks, this V90 really does deserve to sell well, but it's up to you to dare buy the wagon. Prices start at 65,100 Canadian dollars for the R-Design, which is the trim you probably want. But as tested, which was loaded, it was $70,750. For the class, that's not actually very bad. Special mention that the hood opens almost all the way up, so Volvo doesn't only think of you, but also makes your mechanics' life easier. See how nice those Swedes are? Real champs. So overall score 8.7 out of 10 for this sexy wagon.